How to delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram, and once you do that, navigate to your profile page by clicking on the profile picture at the bottom right. And once you're here, let's go ahead and navigate to those multiple photos that we want to delete a photo from. As you can see here, I have three pictures. So what you need to do right here in order to delete one of these is to click on the three dots at the top right corner of the post or pictures. And once you're there, click on edit. And as you can see right here, um, once you do that, you will see that there are some icons and stuff that appeared on the picture. One of them is the trash icon at the top left corner of the picture. As you can see, there's a trash bin icon. As you can see, it's on all of the pictures. So what you need to do in order to delete one of the pictures is just click on the trash bin, and once you do that, you will get this confirmation box that asks you, are you sure you want to delete, and it tells you some stuff about that. So just click on delete to confirm, and once you do that, you'll see that the picture has been deleted. So let's go ahead and save the changes, and as you can see, that photo has been deleted, and now we only have two pictures. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can remove a picture from multiple pictures on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.